how much should you actually spend on a beard trimmer? Because some people rave about the cheap ones, while others swear by the pricey models. It's a bit interesting when you think about it.
Product number 1. Philips Norculco All-in-One 3000. The Philips Norculco All-in-One 3000 caught my attention right away. With 13 pieces and 9 length settings, it's designed for everything from beards to hair clippings. If you want versatility in your grooming routine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The skin-friendly comfort blades ensure a quick, comfortable trim without irritating your skin. Perfect if you've got sensitive areas. Plus, those self-sharpening blades mean you won't have to worry about dullness anytime soon. With over 20,000 units sold just in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among guys looking for a reliable trimmer. Now, some people complained about the USB charging without a wall adapter. Here's the thing though, most of us have plenty of chargers lying around, so it's not a deal breaker for me. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance, you'll likely be satisfied. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one tool that can handle different grooming needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more specialized trimmer for just your beard. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the lack of a wall adapter bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more premium feel.
Product number 2, Norelco Philips 3000 series. Another from Norelco, the Philips 3000 series. This one also features 13 pieces, but it comes with full metal self-sharpening blades in 8 length settings. If you want precision along with versatility, you should definitely check this out. Here's why this matters. The detail trimmer is a game changer for crafting sharp lines and getting those tricky spots like sideburns right. The power-packed battery gives you 60 minutes of runtime, so you won't have to rush through your grooming session. Plus, with thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that guys love how easy it is to clean. The rinsable blades can save you time. Now, some users mentioned that the lack of a wall adapter was annoying, but honestly, if you're like most people, you probably have a USB charger at home. It's really not a huge issue if you think about it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable trimmer that excels at detail. Skip it if you're looking for something super specialized. At the end of the day, it offers solid value for its price point. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for travel convenience.
Product number 3. Philips Norelco One 360 Hybrid. The Philips Norelco One 360 Hybrid caught my eye for its unique design. With a 360-degree blade and a focus on comfort, this model is all about flexibility in your grooming routine. If you're looking for something that adapts to your needs, this is worth considering. The innovative 360 blade flexes in all directions, making it super easy to trim those hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're shaving or trimming, you can expect a smooth experience thanks to its efficient 12,000 cuts per minute. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower, a big plus for busy mornings. Some reviews mention that the battery life could be better, offering just 45 minutes of runtime. However, let's be real, that's usually enough time for a grooming session, and the USB charging makes it easy to top up on the go. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool for both trimming and shaving. Skip it if you need something strictly for beards. For its price, it delivers on both convenience and solid performance. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle not just your beard, but also body hair, the next one might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Philips Norculco Face and Body. The Philips Norculco Face and Body model. This trimmer stands out for its multi-purpose capability. It's designed for both your beard and body hair. If you want a grooming tool that does it all, this might be the one. With the same one-blade technology, you get that fast-moving cutter for effective trimming without the risk of cutting your skin. It even comes with a body comb for sensitive areas, which is a game changer for those who want to groom everywhere. And yes, it's also waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower without worry. Now, I did notice some users pointed out that the body comb could be a bit bulky. But honestly, if you're looking for versatility, that's just a small trade-off for having a comprehensive grooming tool. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dual-purpose device that covers multiple grooming needs. Skip this if you only want a dedicated beard trimmer. For its features, it offers great value, especially for the multitaskers out there. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium, wait until you hear about the next product.
Product number 5, Braun Series 5 Grooming Kit. Priced at around $54.99, This all-in-one trimmer is designed for those who want both beard and body grooming in one tool. If you prefer a premium feel without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. What caught my attention is the ultra-sharp blade, which effortlessly trims even the trickiest hairs, while the precision wheel lets you lock in 40 different length settings. No more guesswork here, just precise results every time. Plus, the smooth shave head provides skin comfort, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavier than expected, but if you're focused on quality and precision, that little extra weight might just be a sign of its durability. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile grooming kit that prioritizes both beard and body care. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. Overall, it's a fantastic value for a multi-purpose grooming tool without compromising quality.
So there you have it, 5 top-notch beard trimmers, each with its own strengths. Whether you're looking for versatility with the Philips Norkelco All-in-One or a premium feel with the Bronze Series 5, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your needs, and happy grooming.